Okay, guys, so I ordered a package because my RC car just broke. Okay, so yesterday I was driving it, and my grandfather's RC car, which is super fast, he kind of used mine as a ramp because I was driving full speed and he was driving full speed. I think his goes about 40 miles an hour. He was going, and mine got kind of used as a ramp. So now the shaft, I'll show you in a minute, is not turning. Like the motor will turn and the wheels won't turn, but the motor will. So we're going to fix that. And I bought it because it's ironic that my grandfather said, "You can't use my tools anymore." I was like, okay, I'll just figure it out. And so now, got a package in the mail from Amazon. And we're going to unbox this and we'll take a look at it. So, okay, so this is a really big package. So let's cut it open. That side is done. So yeah, we got this off of Amazon, and guess how much it was, guys? It was $30. Yeah, this setup was super cheap. And it comes with a box and everything, so that's really good. Good to keep it all nice and organized. Here's what the box looks like. Yeah, well, I've got to fix this. So yeah, got this. We're gonna pop this real fast. There you go, pops. Now we're gonna take this out. Oh wow, this is big. Look at that. 148 tool set for $30. Let's put this in the trash down there. Now let's put y'all back up here. So now it's all set up. Let's open it. So yeah, we're gonna open it like this. Turn this around. Gonna stick these scissors inside right there. Now open this thing up. This thing is heavy, and I got the blue kind because blue is my favorite color. So I ordered the blue colors. So now let's open it up. Actually, I think this might be the back. So we're gonna open it up like that. Now, guys, this is just only the beginning. We're just gonna open this up, take a look at it, then we're gonna fix my RC car. I don't know what they're really called. I know what they're used for. I just don't know what they're called. So we have tape, and we have these screwdrivers, flathead, and flathead, and I forgot what the other one's called. It has that. Then it has a saw cutter? A saw? Oh! I think it's a cardboard cutter. I think it's a cardboard. Let me know in the comments what this is. I have no idea. Cardboard cutter, I guess. We have wrenches, all different sizes. So we have a really small one to a really big one right here. And we have a selection of nails and screws right here. Then we have these. I do not know what these are called. I'm just going to call them hexagon sticks. So this is what that is. This small one's really tiny. But yeah, this is really nice for, how much did I pay for this? $30? Then we have these bits, these drill bits right here. I wonder, does it come with no. Now here's with the bigger stuff. So I don't know where you put these, but let's move this down. So then to the other side of the box, we have a hammer. We have, oh, that's what that thing is. It's like a little where you can fit different drill bits. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of like a screwdriver, but you can fit different pieces onto it. Then we have pliers. Then we have bigger things like that. Then we have tape measure. You can't see it. We have tape measure right here. Screwdriver, flathead, and Phillip head. That's what those are called. Phillip head screwdrivers. And this bit right here. I don't know what it is, but we'll see. So that's what it includes in here, and it's really nice. So we're going to get this set up for me to take a crack at this RC car. So wish me luck. So now we have the car. So maybe there's just an issue with it just being hit really hard. Maybe we will test run it. So right now we have the controller. We're gonna turn it on, and it's flashing. So now we can turn the car on. Car's flashing. Okay, so now it's about to go. Let's see. Okay, so guys, right now the motor is spinning. I don't know if you can see that. The motor is spinning right there. We're spinning really fast, so I can get the thing to move like that, but it doesn't go very fast. And if any traction hits it, it'll stop. So then